Hey everybody, so today I am working on an 11 by 14 canvas, and I was going through some of my paints that I've had for a while, and I thought I would use a few of them up. I'm going to be doing an open cup pour, and the colors that I'm using, this one is from Lukas and it's called Indigo, and now the next two are mixed, and I'm not even sure. This one, it says Artist Loft gray with cerulean blue, and then there's some Deco Art pearl white mixed in. So that's what that is. I'm not even sure how old that is. This one here, I'm only going to guess that there is red and yellow with pearl white mixed. So I thought I would do an open cup pour and see what happens. And of course I have my pearl white, and that is what I'm going to start with. All right, so I'm going to put a little bit of that in the bottom to start off. And I'm actually going to lift it a little bit and then set the cup back down. All right, so then next I'm going to use the indigo, and all these paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol and water, and I'm not putting any silicone in. Okay, now we're gonna go with whatever this color is. It's like a really light metallic-y gray blue. Okay, starting to move around. I'm gonna hold it here a little bit, and then I'm gonna put some more of the pearl white. You can see it's starting to come out there. Now I'm gonna go with this really pretty pearl orangey color. See how this looks. A little bit more of this pearl white. I think I'm just gonna use a little bit more of that. I may end up putting that around the outside of it, so we'll see. Okay, a little bit more, and then I think I'm gonna start moving it around. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest of this orange. Such a pretty orange. Okay, move these. Now I'm just gonna pick this up and just start moving it. Whoop, it's dragging a little bit. I'm gonna lift it. There we go. Alright, I think I'm just gonna lift it up. There we go. It's not really doing anything. Okay, now I'm just gonna move it around some more. I'm gonna run that. I wanna run that a little bit more off though. I don't really know if I like so much of that. There we go. Try to run that this way. Take this blue and kind of go. This I'm just using to help it go over the edge. That's all I'm doing with that. Okay. Just because I want to keep what little of that orange that there is, because that's really, really pretty. Okay, and I'm going to run that back just a bit. Cool. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and let this sit, and I will be back to show you in about half an hour or so. Alright? Okay guys, so it's been about half an hour. I'll take in for a closer look. I got some awesome details in this painting. These natural cells just kind of went crazy. I love doing open cut pours. I hadn't done one in a while, and I think this is actually the first time doing one with no silicone. I don't remember, because I've used silicone in the past when I do those, and the way these paints were layered has created all of those natural cells. It looks beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and I will be back. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. Take you in for a little bit of a closer look, and you can see that I got quite a few more cells that came up through that dark area, and I already had all of these. It just kind of went crazy. I like this painting quite a lot. Up here, the orange is coming through really, really soft. And then there's some orange on the left corner here. And then I've got some down at the bottom also. I really like it. I think it looks really, really pretty. My husband said when he first saw it that it reminded him sort of a hurricane, which is kind of fitting since that's what's happening right now. Alright, so there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out all my links in my description. Don't forget to check out my new website, and have a great day.